and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and for those of you that have crossed over from my old channel that I've had since like 2010 and you've come to this one to support me, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If this is the first time that you're seeing me and you have no idea who I am, thank you for stumbling on my video anyhow, and I hope you stick around. A bit about me: I live in Ottawa, Canada. I'm 39 years old. I am in a long distance relationship. My boyfriend lives in Philadelphia, so you might see him as well. I'm a huge makeup lover. I could spend hours in a makeup aisle. Even if I did it like the day before, I'll do it again today. Like, I love makeup that much. So you can definitely expect to see tutorials, expect to see hauls, product reviews. I do have a little bit of a side hustle where I sell things, you know, things around the home that I don't use anymore. So you might see those videos as well because, hey, that allows me to buy more makeup. Occasionally you may even see outfits of the day, but I'm not really good with the fashion thing. I'll just stick to makeup. I'm better at that, but you might see that. Also some tags to make it more fun and to bring out my personality. So yeah, you can expect to see a lot. What else can I tell you about myself? That's it pretty much. If there's anything that you want to know, definitely put it in the comments down below. Oh, yes, that's it. I love to see comments. I love them, and I'll reply to all of them. So definitely leave some comments for me. Okay, that's it. I don't have anything else to say. I'm hungry. That's another thing you need to know. I love food. I love to eat. So I need to head on out and get myself something to eat. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me soon. Bye.